a High Court order has revealed how the government may have ended up paying vastly inflated prices for dodgy Chinese testing kits. The ICMR says that the prices have been fixed on technical specifications. The government has responded to these overpricing kits, saying that logistical issues did not permit for direct procurement. Let's first listen in to what the government reaction has been, and then my colleague Arvind will join us with the details.
Rapid diagnostic kits have a very limited role to play. We have been highlighting to you, explaining to everyone that they have primarily role in terms of either epidemiological investigation or in terms of surveillance. टेंडर बुला के रैपिड डायग्नोस्टिक किट्स का जो टेंडर फाइनलाइज किया गया आईसीएमआर के द्वारा, जिसके बारे में उन्होंने डिटेल्ड प्रेस रिलीज इशू की है। टेंडर बुलाते टाइम पर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने सेंसिटिविटी और स्पेसिफिसिटी उसके जितने भी इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं उनको सबमिट किया, जिसके बेसिस पर L1 को टेंडर दिया जाता है। जब फील्ड पर उनके बारे में कंप्लेंट आई तो आईसीएमआर ने इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट किया, उनको कैंसिल भी किया और कोई भी पेमेंट उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को नहीं दिया गया है। किसी भी कारण से अगर उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जो प्रोडक्ट फॉल्टी आएगा तो ऑब्वियसली एज यू आर अवेयर, तो एज पर द टेंडर कंडीशंस उसके अंतर्गत उस पर हम कार्य करते हैं, उसका पेमेंट नहीं होता है। उस तरह की लर्निंग्स को इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हुए हम हमेशा इंश्योर करते हैं कि कोई भी किसी भी समय के इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम हमारे को फेस ना करनी पड़े।
And my colleague Arvind is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the story. Arvind, the government has clarified that the order has been cancelled if the kits are found to be underperforming, etc. There are two questions here. One, of course, is like we're saying, the dodgy kits in question, and the second is how India has overpaid. Break it down for our viewers.
Yeah, Rishika, like you mentioned, there are two issues. There are two problems with this entire case. One, like you said, the quality of these kits. The second thing is the price, that overprice that we had actually admitted. We had actually signed an order with an Indian supplier. So with the Delhi High Court revealing that India ICMR, which is a body under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, actually agreeing or admitting or signing an purchase order with an Indian supplier to pay at least 2.5 times more than the price of this antibody kits. So a controversy had erupted. Now the government has said that because of the quality issues with these kits, now the said purchase orders signed with these companies have been cancelled. So it proves that because of the quality issues, now we have been saved. The government has been saved from paying more than 2.5 times more than the original price of these kits. So ICMR on March 24th, they had invited bids from Indian-based suppliers for procurement of 5 lakh antibody kits. Based on that particular invite for the bids, ARC Pharmaceuticals was selected for procurement for supply of around 5 lakh antibody kits at the rate of 600 per kit. But the Delhi High Court order has revealed that whereas ARC Pharmaceuticals, they have got these kits from another Indian supplier, another Indian importer, that is Matrix, who in turn imported these kits from China at the value of 245 rupees per kit, including the transportation charge. So if we could do a calculation, it shows that we are paying 140 times more than the value, 140% more than the value of these kits. So it's somewhere around 2.5% more than the 2.5 times more than the original price. So that was a controversy, but now government is claiming that because these kits had an issue with the quality, now the entire the purchase order has been cancelled and we are going to return these kits. Because we had a clause that no advance payment will be done, only after the supply of all these kits, the payment will be done. So that's why our government does not stand to lose even a single penny. So that's the stand of government, but still they have not given a clarification on what basis, how was this 600 rupees fixed for this kit.